Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we are going to learn something interesting. So let's try to play with it. I have typed 11 of the names and I have to be typing the marks too. So this time what we have to do is to make a group of this small sort of table. So I have to be selecting that and going for group, click on group, and over there you have got two of the options. Like if you want to group rows, you can be clicking on that. If you want to group columns, you have to be clicking on columns. So I want to group the row, hit OK, and now you can see that the table I have created is coming in just one sort of group, means the data is grouped. Click on subtotal, and if you want to have the subtotal of any of the subject, like for example, if you want to have the subtotal of English or bio or history, anyone you want, you have to be clicking on that. Let's suppose I want the subtotal of all of these three. Check on all of these and hit OK. So now you can see that we have got subtotal of that. 525 is the subtotal of English, 426 is the subtotal of bio, and 508 is subtotal of history. So that is what can work for you and you can benefit that. Let's try to go for review option that is present beside data tab, and over there I have to be typing teaching word, and inside that I have to be missing any sort of letter inside that, so that I click there. So that is something I'm doing deliberately, but sometimes you commit spelling mistake, so then that can detect automatically any of the word that you have misspelled that. For example, I want to go for spellings, hit OK. Now you can see that it is detected. So now what you want to do with it, if you want to change all, you have to be clicking on that, or if you want to ignore that, for example, if you want to ignore that, you can ignore that too. So change all. Okay, now you can see that it is changed. Let's try to go and click on research option, which is known as that can work for you as a dictionary. Well, let's try to go for treasures English United States. Now you can see all of the words are coming there, means the meaning of this word is coming over there. So now any word you want, you can benefit that, and you can also have maybe the sound of that. Let's try to at the bottom of that. There is no sound, I think. Let's try to go for treasure. This is something the same, which you can benefit it as a dictionary. Let's try to go some steps back in order to have the simple table we have made. You can go back by holding the control or the command button and pressing Z button on keyboard. See, we've got the same table. So now what I have to do with it, you can click on any of the cell, and if you want to give comment on any of the word, any of the cell, you have to be clicking on new comment like A, B, C. You can also click there like this. You can also click there. You can also name all of the comments, and you can also see the red indication is coming there. That can mean that this is related to comment or that is comment. And there is another option which is known as previous. If I click on that, that can make me go to previous comment, next comment, previous, next previous and previous. Hide, show all comments, and if I click back on it, it will be hiding. Let's try to go and delete out any of the comment I want. So you can also delete any of the comment, and you can also show any of the comment. And there is another option which is known as protect sheet. If I click on that and give the password to it, now password is given to the document. Now no one can edit that. And if I want to remove back the password, I have to be going for unprotect sheet and removing the password there. Let's try to use track changes that are present in changes group. Go for it, highlight changes, track changes while editing. This also shares your workroom. Hit OK. So now you have to be saving that. So now any time you want to edit any of the cell and any of the strange person will come and edit, that will be showing. See, now sort of colors being applied there. That is because that someone has changed the value of these three. So if you want to go for track changes, accept and reject, hit OK. Okay, over there what you have to do, if you want to reject all of the values that someone has changed, you can go for reject all. And if you want to accept all of the values that anyone has edited, that can also go for accept all. If you want to go for accept all, you can go for accept all. And if you want to reject all of the values, you can also go for rejecting all of the values. So that is what I have taught you. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.